Top 20 Educational Institute of United States. Full Sail University Programming College Accelerated Degrees. Earn a technology degree and see how you can take part in this evolving industry. Start next month. Accelerated College ACCSC Accelerated Degrees. Bloomberg Philanthropies Education in America. Our education program expands college access to talented lower income students. Learn more about broadening educational opportunities for young people, improving clean energy, public health updates, strengthening education. St. Mary's College KSOE Educational Leadership Program. We believe leadership is based in relationships and influencing others to collaborate, connect with admissions schedule 1-1 consolation. Top international school French American School in NY. Bilingual education, individualized student attention, top college expectants apply now. 2022 Best National Universities US News Rankings. Here are the best colleges in the US: Princeton University, Columbia University, Harvard University, Massachusetts Institutes of Technology, Yale University. Ranked the top 100 universities in the USA. These are the top 100 US universities based upon the QS World University Rankings USA 2021. Find out which university are the best in your home state. And people also ask which college has the best education program in the United States. What is the number one ranked college in America? How many educational institutions are in the US? What is the top 20 university in the world? 265 top ranked universities in United States Masters Portal. Some of the best highest ranked institutions are in the United States. Throughout the world, their colleges and schools have a wide reputation inviting. Best universities in the United States 2022 Times Higher Education. Are you looking for the best universities in the United States? Compare 181 top US universities and colleges ranking in THE's highly respected league. Universities in the United States Higher Education in the UniRank. UniRank tries to answer this question by publishing the 2021 US University Rankings of 1765 US higher education institutions meeting the following UniRank. College and University Rankings in the United States Wikipedia. US News and World Report Best Colleges Ranking. In 1983, US News and World Report published its first America's Best Colleges report. These are the world's best universities right now. And thank you for watching.